Hello and welcome back to How We Rollin'. Last time out, we took the STO to the beach. Since then, I've been regretting that decision ever since because cleaning it was miserable. I mean, it was a task, you guys. I went out, I brought compressed air, I was spraying air everywhere. There was sand in my eyes. It was burning. Y'all get the point. Anywho, also since the last time we talked, I finished the Aventador. So let's go ahead and head down, hop in the Aventador, and take it for a speed test. All right, you guys, we just pulled up to our first location. I'm gonna go ahead and set up the analyzer. Hopefully this is our first and only location, but if I feel like we're not getting the speeds that we should, we'll go ahead and switch. But for now, let's get the analyzer inside and start testing. All right, you guys, we got the analyzer in. We're all set up. The GPS is connected to the satellites or whatever it does. We're gonna hit track, and then we're gonna hit start. We ready to start testing. Let's see how fast the Aventador is. Let's go ahead and read our first results. Okay. Let's head back out and see what we could do. We're up to 22 miles per hour. Not bad. I think we'll try to find somewhere else to test. I'm not feeling it here, you guys. The ground feels really rocky. And honestly, I'd like to get one of these home without crashing it for once. So let's go find somewhere else. Don't ask. All right, you guys, welcome to location number 2, technically number 3, since I crashed the car at the second. Let's focus on positive things. Let's see how fast we could go. So let's go ahead and hit track, Start. And we're back. So let's go ahead, boot up the analyzer again, see what we could get done. I don't know if we read our last run. I think I got distracted. Let's take a look. Okay, so we're up to 25 miles per hour. Guys, I know we could top that. So let's go ahead and hit track. Hit start, and we're ready to go. Let's see what we got out of that run. Ooh, y'all, we hit big 32. We made it back to the garage, you guys. We did it. For once, we made it back to the garage. Now, admittedly, it's going to need some paint. That's for sure. But at least it still runs. So until next time, let's keep it rolling. All right, you guys. I was going to end the video, but I figured this is and we rolling. So we not going to stop till we break something. I never got full throttle down, so I know this car could go faster. So I got my analyzer inside my Ziploc bag, already inside the car. We're set up, we're ready to go. Found a bigger space. Let's see if we can get full throttle down and find out how fast the Aventador really is. All right, you guys, for 2 seconds, I managed to get full throttle down. So let's hit stop. What do you guys think? What do y'all think the top speed is? I don't know, honestly. I'm gonna say 30, 35, because it feels faster than the Bugatti, but I can't put it all down to the ground. Let's see. Oh, your boy knows his feelings. Your boy knows his feelings. I'm spot on. All right, you guys. I think now we're done. I could leave it at 35, because as much as I would love to tell y'all that I broke something, let's get back to the garage on that. So 35 is the top speed of the Aventador. So until next time, let's keep it rolling. I just realized we lost the rear vent. I don't know if that was today, some other day. What I do know is I got some looking around to do. Hopefully I'll find it.